Hello everyone, how are y'all doing today? So today I wanted to speak to you guys about this one quote which has really helped me in life, and it was by a man named Pythagoras, and many of us must have done the Pythagorean theorem in school, and he was the same guy who's come up with this theorem. So he once said, be silent or let your words be worth more than silence. Now, this is such a simple quote actually, and we keep telling our loved ones and our kids all the time that what, think and speak, think and talk. But actually, what is think? What is the acronym think? So the T is for is it true, H is for is it helpful, I is for is it inspiring, N is for is it necessary, and the K is for is it kind. So, every time we open our mouths to say something to the other person, we need to run this check, whether it conforms to this acronym that we use of thinking and speaking, right? And this mainly happens when we are too excitable, or sometimes you're too sad or you're angry, and we say things which we come back from the conversation and we are like, why did I say this? I shouldn't have said this. I should have kept quiet. And keeping quiet is such an art, and just that one quality of keeping quiet at the right time can help you so much anguish, so much trouble in your life. It's, in fact, this quote in itself is life transforming. As much as we think it's something that we do on a daily basis, but if you go to the depth of it, let your words be worth more than silence. Otherwise, silence is beautiful and silence is a luxury nowadays. So the next time, when you're too excitable, many a times, even in a party, we are with good friends and having a great time, we are four pegs down, and in that moment we say something which we regret the next morning, after the wine in your body has stopped to shine, right? So, and even with our family members, sometimes we are too happy and we'll tell our kids, "Arey, I'll buy you this," or we'll tell our wife, "This is what I'll do," or the women might be very happy and they'll say, "I'll do this." In that moment you say that, but later on when you're like, why did I have to say it? Because now that I've said it, I'll have to do it. So just keeping quiet at the right time, whether it's out of anger, happiness, excitement, can really really benefit you so much. And it's easier said than done, because I struggle with this myself, and many a times I can't keep my mouth shut when I'm supposed to keep it shut. So yeah, I mean, as I'm preaching it to you guys, I struggle sometimes doing it myself. But yeah, the whole idea of shooting this video is, even if once you can meditate on this quote that I just shared, it might save you a lot of trouble and anguish and make your life a little better in some way, right? So see how that goes. I hope this helps, and I'll catch you guys soon. Bye for now.